Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you for second year B.Ed students creating an inclusive school paper. One of the important question, cerebral palsy. What is cerebral palsy? Cerebral palsy refers to a group of disorders that affect muscle movement and coordination. In many cases, vision, hearing and sensation are also affected. So the word cerebral means having to do with the brain. The word palsy means weakness or problems with body movement. So the cerebral palsy classifies on the ability to sit, the capability for movement and mobility, starting independence, the use of adaptive technology. So what is cerebral palsy? Cerebral palsy refers to a group of disorders that affect muscle movement and coordination. So, symptoms of cerebral palsy. Delays in reaching motor skills such as rolling over, sitting up alone or crawling. Variation in muscle tone such as being too floppy or too stiff. Delays in speech development and difficulty in speaking. Spasticity or stuffed muscles, ataxia or a lack of muscle coordination, tremors or involuntary movements, excessive drooling and problem with swallowing, difficulty in walking, favoring one side of the body such as reaching with one hand, neurological problems such as seizures, intellectual disabilities and blindness. So these are the symptoms of cerebral palsy. What causes cerebral palsy? Abnormal brain development or injury to the development of a brain can cause a CP. The damage affects the part of the brain that controls body movement, coordination and posture. The brain damage usually occurs before birth, but it can also happen during the birth or the first years of life. In most cases, the exact causes of CP doesn't know. Some of the possible causes: lack of oxygen to the brain during labor and delivery, gene mutation that result in the abnormal brain development, severe jaundice in the infant, maternal infections such as German measles and herpes simplex, brain infection such as encephalitis and meningitis, intracranial hemorrhage or bleeding into the brain, head injuries as a result of a car accident or fall or child abuse. So these are the causes of cerebral palsy. So abnormal brain development or injury during the developing brain can cause cerebral palsy. So, in most cases, the exact cause of a CP isn't known. So, some of the possible causes is lack of oxygen at the time of birth, gene mutation, jaundice, maternal infections, accidents, and intracranial hemorrhages. So, I am not a broken, I am beautiful, I am different, not less, I am challenged, not challenging. I am not a burden, I am blessed. Cerebral palsy is not a choice but acceptance. Risk factors. What are the risk factors of cerebral palsy? So, some things increase the chance that a child will have cerebral palsy. They are called risk factors. It is important to remember that have a risk factor does not mean that a child will have CP. Some risk factors for acquired CP are infancy. Infants are at greater risk of brain damaging event than older children. Next, low birth weight. Children born preterm or low birth weight, greater risk for acquired CP, then brain infections, then injury, inadequate safety measures or lack of adult supervision can increase the risk of injury that can result in CP.